I'm different. We're all different.
But that doesn't mean we can't come together
to make a better place for everyone.
And while we're here,
We grow.
We grow together.
But it's not just about what's on the surface.
There's a lot more to being part of Coleg Gwent.
It is a place to belong.
A place where we are united together.
It's somewhere I can fit in.
Be myself.
Be yourself.
and valued for not just where I'm from,
But for where I'm going.
I'm encouraged to be my genuine self.
I am welcomed.
Nurtures.
I am me.
I know why I'm here.
I'm part of a community.
I wouldn't want to be anywhere else.
We are one.
We
are
Coleg
Coleg
Gwent.